Hello everyone, I am representing team Native Ninjas and in this video I am gonna show my submission for Apache Kafka OAM. So here we have deployed the Apache Kafka using the OAM model on Napptive. So this is the command to start the deployment from the CLI. So I'm gonna open the Hackathon Napptive and from the catalog you can if you search for Apache, here is the deployment that we have uploaded and yeah, this is the CLI command, and by when we click on the deploy button, if you want to change some of the environment variables, so into by editing this properties file, we can change these following environment variables like the default replication factor, cluster ID, shared dir, etc. We can change it from here, and we can just deploy it by clicking on the deploy button. So we have now deployed it on the Napptive playground, and we can view the logs from here. Yeah, so these are the logs. Yeah, and after the deployment to test whether the Kafka is running or not, these are the procedure for testing it. So what I'm gonna show you here, key I'm gonna produce a message using the Kafka producer and consume it using the consumer. So before that, we'll have to log in into the playground. Sorry. So yeah, playground login, and yeah, now I'm logged in into the playground, Naptive playground, and after that, the first command that I'm gonna run is this kubectl /kube config and get pods. Yeah, so these are the three pods that are currently running, and after that, yeah, after that, I'll use this command describe Kafka service. So kubectl //kube kube config the address and then describe. So from here we'll need to copy this IP address because this IP will need in order to produce and consume the messages. Yeah, so after that we'll run this command, run Kafka client. Yeah, so if you are getting this message, this means that everything is working fine. Yeah, now I'll use this command to connect to my Kafka client. Yeah, now I am connected, and we are able to access the console. So inside that we'll paste this message, these commands, and after pasting, this is the IP address that we have copied from here. So we'll have to change it accordingly, and the port is the same, that is 9092. So I'll change the IP address. I'll copy and paste it. After I hit enter, so from here I can write the messages, and as I write and press enter, I'm using the Kafka producer to produce messages. So first message is hello world, and second is, let's say, again hello, and yeah. So now let us see how to consume those messages. So to consume, we'll have to run this command Kafka console consumer, and here also we'll have to check for the IP address. We'll have to change it accordingly. So I'll change the IP address. 10.100.177.134, yeah, and the board will be same 9092. And as I press enter, after some time, yeah, so these are the two messages that I had previously produced, and now I am consuming it using the Kafka consumer. So yeah, this is the deployment, and yeah, this is working fine. We are able to produce and as well as consume the messages. Thanks.